If you're tired of manually scooping leaves and bugs before they sink, an automatic robotic pool skimmer is a highly efficient swimming pool upgrade. This cordless pool accessory floats independently along the waterline, pulling in debris completely hands-free. Equipped with highly efficient twin salt chlorine-tolerant motors, it glides smoothly across both in-ground pools and above-ground pools. Up top, a large built-in solar panel charges a high-capacity lithium battery, giving you over 30 hours of continuous surface cleaning power to catch debris before it settles to the bottom. With built-in radar to smoothly navigate around walls and an easy-access top-loading filter basket, it's a brilliant low-maintenance solution for keeping your water clear without adding a single dollar to your electric bill.
If you want to completely hand over your pool maintenance chores, an automatic robotic pool cleaner is the ultimate swimming pool upgrade. Unlike standard surface skimmers, this heavy-duty pool accessory drops straight to the bottom to scrub away dirt, algae, and stubborn debris completely hands-free. Engineered with powerful deep cleaning scrubbers and precise navigation, it effortlessly climbs pool walls to clean right up to the waterline. It features a high-capacity, top-access filter basket that traps everything from fine silt to large leaves, working seamlessly to keep your water crystal clear. It runs independently from your pool's main filtration system and operates on a simple plug-and-play setup. It's a highly efficient, time-saving solution that takes the hard work out of pool care so you can just focus on enjoying your swim.
Keeping your pool flawless doesn't always require a massive, fully automated machine. This cordless handheld pool vacuum is a highly efficient swimming pool upgrade designed specifically for quick, targeted spot cleaning on your pool steps, corners, and shallow ledges. Powered by an advanced rechargeable battery, this lightweight pool accessory delivers intense suction without the hassle of tangled hoses or restrictive power cords. It features a long, telescopic pole to easily reach deep spots and a high-capacity filter basket that snaps open for a quick rinse. It works beautifully for both quick touch-ups in permanent in-ground pools and daily maintenance in above-ground setups. It's the ultimate grab-and-go tool to keep your water crystal clear between major cleanings.
If you want a truly independent machine that conquers every inch of your pool, an upgraded cordless robotic pool vacuum is an elite swimming pool upgrade. This intelligent pool accessory features an advanced triple motor drive system that gives it the climbing strength to scale 45-degree slopes and scrub vertical walls completely hands-free. Using smart navigation path planning, it maps your pool layout to provide edge-to-edge precision, leaving no corner untouched. It runs for up to 150 minutes on a single charge and features high-precision filtration that captures everything from large leaves down to fine sand and silt. When the cleaning cycle finishes or the battery runs low, the built-in self-parking technology automatically drives the robot straight to the pool wall for effortless dry land retrieval. It's a premium, high-efficiency solution designed to keep your permanent in-ground pool flawless with zero manual labor.
If you're ready to step into the absolute future of automated maintenance, an AI-powered cordless robotic pool cleaner is a revolutionary swimming pool upgrade. This ultra-premium pool accessory utilizes a front-facing camera system to actively detect over 20 types of debris, navigating directly to the mess to clean up to 10 times faster than standard pathing models. It is engineered with a multi-layer micro-mesh filtration system that layers a standard debris filter with an ultra-fine layer designed to trap microscopic contaminants and sand. Weighing only 8.2 kilograms, its feather-light design makes it incredibly easy to pull from the water. When the cycle is finished, it automatically climbs and parks right at the waterline for quick retrieval and then recharges wirelessly on an external dock. It is the ultimate hands-free, high-efficiency solution for keeping both in-ground pools and above-ground pools absolutely pristine.
Cut your manual cleaning time in half without blowing your budget on a fragile, overpriced gadget. A suction-side automatic pool cleaner is a brilliant swimming pool upgrade that connects directly to your existing filtration system, utilizing your pump's power to vacuum away dirt and debris. Equipped with an advanced tire tread design, it boasts excellent traction to navigate sharp corners and climb vertical walls smoothly. It operates whisper quietly and comes with nearly 40 feet of scuff-resistant hoses to provide complete floor and wall coverage without leaving marks on your pool liner. It's an incredibly durable, low-maintenance tool that works continuously whenever your main pool pump is running. It delivers a spotless clean for both in-ground pools and above-ground pools without adding a single dollar to your electricity bill.
Skip the complicated electronics and heavy machinery for your everyday maintenance. This ultra-lightweight portable pool vacuum is a highly efficient swimming pool upgrade designed for effortless, targeted spot cleaning in smaller above-ground pools, spas, and tight corners. Instead of relying on batteries or charging docks, this simple pool accessory hooks directly up to your standard garden hose. It uses the incoming water pressure to create a powerful venture suction that lifts sand, dirt, and leaves straight into an included fine mesh collection bag. It features a multi-section aluminum pole that reaches up to 56 inches, allowing you to easily skim the floor without bending over. It's the ultimate low-cost, hassle-free grab-and-go tool to keep your water crystal clear between major deep cleans.
Get premium, high-end automation features without paying a luxury markup. This budget-friendly, cordless robotic pool vacuum is an exceptional swimming pool upgrade that packs elite multi-zone cleaning performance into a surprisingly accessible price point. Equipped with an advanced intelligent navigation mapping system and powerful dual roller brushes, this robust pool accessory methodically climbs walls, scrubs the waterline, and even handles tricky shallow tanning ledges. It delivers continuous cleaning runtime per charge and features a massive 5-liter filter basket designed to swallow sand, leaves, and heavy debris completely clog-free. When its cycle concludes, the built-in self-parking tech drives the robot straight back to the pool wall for effortless dry land retrieval. It's a highly efficient, user-loved solution that strips away the manual labor to keep your water crystal clear.
Experience the ultimate pinnacle of luxury pool maintenance with zero compromises. This ultra-premium cordless robotic pool vacuum is an absolute powerhouse swimming pool upgrade, operating as the world's first intelligent 5-in-1 pool accessory. Driven by an advanced 9-motor system and a quad-core processor, it doesn't just clean your floor, walls, and waterline. It actively skims surface debris and even distributes a built-in clarifying agent to clear cloudy water. It features 22 smart sensors for flawless obstacle avoidance and runs for up to 11 hours on a single charge. Retrieval is completely effortless. Instead of sinking to the floor, it utilizes an industry-first submarine propulsion system to automatically drive itself up and park right on the water's surface. It's a true set-and-forget masterpiece for a pristine backyard resort.